Ted, and you may remember us from the last Pleasure Beach video. And today we are at the Pleasure Beach Gardens to have a great day out and a massive competition that includes a Grand Prix and a golf.
Yeah, this is going to be amazing. You better
I will win
for this. Let's go and start this competition off. I'm going to beat him, by the way. So.
Right, let's go.
Right, let's go. So first up, we're here at the Adventure Golf, and I've come here because I just know I'm going to beat Ted so
Will,
badly.
prepare for yourself. You're going to be battered, then put in a deep fat fryer and served with a portion of chips.
Great. Well, I'm still going to beat him. Let's have a go.
We'll see. You do this, Will, like a clock. Remember, Will? Did you not listen?
I might have listened.
All right.
Okay, here we go. First.
Oh.
Whoa. Okay. Not too bad. Oh, Ted's going to do so badly on this one. Oh. Uh-oh, that is not good for Will. That is not good
let's
for
see
Will.
this.
Not good for you, Ted. I'm going to be honest.
Right, how are you going to get this in? I bet you won't. Come on.
I will.
Don't
worry,
get
I'm a
in.
pro at this. I do this every day.
Oh!
Are you kidding? Are you kidding? You're going to have to spend a whole hit just trying to get it out. Way, there you go.
Well, that's so easy for you.
Oh, well, Ted, you know, only the best players can hit it in like this. Have a look.
Please miss.
Yes. Ted.
Oh, I have to.
Yeah.
Are we carrying on?
Yeah, so it's that amount of hits. You've hit it twice now, so this is your third. Oh, okay, so I beat you by one
hit.
One hit. Great. Ted, have a good go.
That was terrible.
That was absolutely...
Can I give it another go?
I won't even continue that sentence.
Can I give it another go?
No. Good try, Ted, but you blocked my way.
Yeah, but except that... No, that's not where you... Okay. That's concerningly good.
Okay, Ted, if you hit it in, then you beat me. Oh, no, you haven't. Oh, wait, let it roll down.
No, it's going back down.
Yes!
No!
Wait, no touch.
This is horrific. No! Oh, come on.
Wait, where's it gone?
It's
oh my God. Oh, no, that's the real hole over there. Oh.
Right, I'm going now.
Well, now you know which one leads you to the end. That's Ted's fifth. I did it in 3. Ted, this is your 7th go. Oh my, this is Ted's 9th go. I definitely need to tally this. 10th go. 10 goes to 3. I mean, I can't say much. No, this one looks good. Right, okay, so this is our next one.
Step up.
Oh. Oh, Ted.
Miss. No! No, that's going in. Miss. That was your go.
How did I mess that up? Ted, if you miss again.
I'm going to break the club.
This is going to be challenging, Ted. Way! 4th go. 5th. Way! There you go, Ted. Ted's 5th go. Ted, you got a clear shot.
I did eventually.
Way! 6 goes to 4. Don't put that on the beat. Right, here we go.
Oh! That's a nice shot.
Easily your best one so far. Here we go. Draft, please. I'm your bestie. Don't do this to me.
Oh!
Okay. Ted's probably going to win this one.
Oh! There was the wind.
Right, for the second one. Right, there you go, Ted. Oh! On his 5th go! It could have been 2, but no.
I'm about to throw your ball in the leg. This one's going to be the one.
Yeah.
I'm trying again.
No. Right, here we go. Ted, no sabotage.
I'm not going to sabotage.
No, Ted.
How is it like me?
Get off the course. Get off. Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness. That's so...
Yeah. Ted, take your next shot. Oh, that did not go as planned, Ted, I'll be honest. Oh,
yes.
Oh. No, I swear, if he... Are you kidding?
That was
He
so
might
close.
beat me.
Oh.
I'm out.
Yes!
This is on our 4th hit, right? 5th. There we go.
I win though!
Oh, that
Coming
was
back
close, you know?
It's coming back my way, you know, so...
Okay, here we go.
Come on, Will.
Shot for the win.
Line up the shot. Oh God, oh my... If I knock your ball in...
No, Ted, don't knock mine out of the way. Okay, right, time for my second shot. I have a feeling
Miss.
I might beat him.
Miss.
All up, excuse me, all up to the shot. My second. Wait, Ted, if you make it in, you could have drawn.
I think that counts. I think that counts.
No, I don't think it does, Ted. 4th one to go. 5th one to go. 6th one to go. 7th one to go. My commentary was very well needed on that one.
Yeah, I'm the
Anyway,
Norwich
the
City.
underdog will arrive. So it's a good shot. I have to agree with you, Ted. Okay, here we go.
You're like the Man City of the sport. Nobody likes you.
Oh, thanks, Ted. I thought you didn't like Tottenham or something. Oh my God, Ted.
That's perfectly lined up.
Terrible.
Yeah, but let's see if you... We're both not very good at this, in fairness, Will. That's not going in, it's going in.
Oh! Ted, the laws of physics are against you. I can't help it. I don't think you can do this one. I'll be... Oh! Oh! That was nearly a hole in one. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's
what
terrible.
was that?
That's going to roll back your way. Oh no, it won't.
Oh God. No.
That is a...
No! Hey guys.
Look at that!
No, Ted. Oh, well, here goes Ted.
Yes!
Here we go.
If you get this in, I will be so upset. Oh. No. Oh! No. Golf it in. Golf it out.
Why did I...
Have a look. Alright, let's see if he can. No, he cannot.
No, he cannot. No, he definitely
Imagine if he
cannot.
doesn't make this one.
No, it's not, Ted. We're not counting that as 5. Oh, okay, so he's not got a hole in one, guys. We know that for sure. You know when I say
The
that,
famous
I'm onto
golf
something.
phrase, righty-ho. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Oh my golly gosh.
Oh my word.
What the...
He doesn't make it!
No. This is Ted's 3rd. This is my 3rd. Right, that means we both get a point.
No! There you are, it's just been confirmed now. That's what they're looking at.
I think there's a VAR check going on.
Dramatic moment.
Yeah, well, I call for a recount because he cheated. This is purely being rigged. Hello and welcome to the Great Yarmouth Grand Prix. And today the contestants are William Hamilton and Edward Bottas.
So, yes, welcome to the Grand Prix. We are going to do 3 laps and whoever comes out victorious will win. How do you feel about this race, Ted?
I feel like I'm going to win, you know.
You know you do. Well,
right.
Get your coins ready.
Right.
Oh, our vehicles are ready to move. Adios, Ted. Bye, Ted. No. Yes, Ted. No pushing your cheek. an obstacle in our path. Whoa, insane! Ted, no pushing!
No! I'm being cut off!
Ted's been cheating and he's got what he has to serve. Oh, Ted! Ted, no pushing! Ted! Stop!
No!
Oh, Ted Bailey. Mr. Bailey. Right, second lap, Ted. Second lap. Ted! you got this lap and one other to catch up. Right, here we go.
That doesn't work.
Oh, sorry. Ted! Bye! Oh! Yes! Yes! No! Come on! Come on! Come on! Little left of mine! Yes! No! That guy! Oh! Come on! Ted, this is our last lap! Wait. Oh, wow! Wait, what? What? No. I'm trying so hard. Oh! Uh-oh! That was not good! That was not good, guys! Right! Here we go! Whoever crosses that line first! Oh! Go! Yeah! No! Oh, victorious! No! Victorious! Oh, and it's guys, what can I say? I'm just a natural. I should be the next new talent. Hi, Ted! In second place at the Great Yarmouth Grand Prix is Ted Bailey.
Autographs later, queue up by the snack shack over there.
But in first place is the legendary King Carriga! I know he's cheating. I think he is cheating. Anyways, we are going to move on to our next challenge.
The donuts.
Right, so now we're going to go into Ted's house. It's quite an interesting looking house. Quite small, but I mean...
I'm going to go relax there after losing all those challenges because there's a cheat.
No! He literally, you saw in the AR video, he cheated on the golf. But I mean, anyway, let's go into Ted's house, yeah? This is going to be very...
Oh, golly.
Oh, golly. Yeah, this is...
Oh, we're standing upside down. There's no gravity, so we can do this in this
I
house.
feel like, Ted, you haven't flushed the toilet. Ted,
Will, that could not have been me.
Bailey, Ted. Look at this. We need to close it. Ted, you didn't even put the toilet seat down. How shocking.
It's fine.
The
We have to
hygiene
super
levels
glue
of
it.
this house are very shocking.
Look at it. Wait, my hair's all a mess because I'm upside down.
Oh, mirror.
Yeah, my hair's all
Sorry,
a
I
mess.
just need to check if my hair's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Oh.
So basically, Ted, your bathroom is a bit weird. Ted, you still play with rubber duckies.
Sit down. Oh, the pillow.
Ted, have you paid your gravity bill?
Not yet, no. I'm just going to get a pen out the drawer, sign my autograph from the Grand Prix. Right, I'm just going to write my autobiography.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just going to turn on some BBC Radio 2 and listen to Piers Morgan. Not that anyone wants to listen to him.
No one does. Better, that's...
Right, Will, what would you like for dinner? Would you like the pasta ravioli?
No, I'd like the Gordon Ramsay burger, thank you.
All right, the Gordon Ramsay burger it is.
Actually, no. I'd rather some McDonald's, to be honest.
For you.
What's happening? Oh,
Right.
don't tell me this is your bedroom. This is pretty. Let's open the
And here's great Edward Bailey II, Moose Man. He is one of my founding
Ted,
relatives of,
well, we know how
my family.
Ted's turned out how he is, you know.
Oi! Don't disrespect the Moose Man.
Oh, Right, there we go. We've done the challenges. I won very easily. I mean,
Because he cheats.
No, he's just so easy to beat. But we're up here now to say goodbye, and we want to tell you that you should definitely subscribe to this channel. We're going to be pumping out a lot more content, and if you want to see more championship style videos, then that would be great. Also follow Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach on Instagram, and if you want to follow us on Instagram, it will be linked in the description. So, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.